How to use a clipping mask with a compound path in Adobe Illustrator. Follow these steps to efficiently create and utilize a clipping mask with a compound path in your design projects. Go to File, Place, and select the image you want to insert in your document. Draw the desired shapes and adjust their dimensions and positions to suit your design needs. If using multiple shapes, group them to ensure they are treated as a single unit. To do this, select all shapes, right-click and choose Group. Combine the group shapes into a single path by right-clicking and selecting Make Compound Path. This step ensures that the clipping mask will work seamlessly. Select both the compound path and the image. Right-click and choose Make Clipping Mask to apply the mask. The image will now conform to the shape of the compound path. You can adjust the clipping mask or the image at any time to refine your design. Simply select the components and reposition, resize, or edit them as required. By following these instructions, you can create precise and professional designs using clipping masks or compound path. That's it. For more tips and tricks, follow TechTricksGh. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for the latest tutorials.